before we start, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, guys. All right, so the other day, Zamir was going through Facebook Marketplace, and he found a guy part on his EP3. He had the window visors some window visors that I wanted, so we want to go get that. Most importantly, he had that little black piece that goes out here in the door. I'll show you on the next clip. And he had that black piece, so I want to go get it. And then we saw that he had a short shifter for sale. So yeah, I'm looking at the pictures, and the actual shifter itself was like gold, and that's the OEM color for these EP3s, as you can see. But there was something different about it. There was a little blue piece at the very bottom of it. It was this thing. So I didn't think of anything of it. I will go over there. We pick up all the parts for 50 bucks, everything total. Super cheap, a good haul for everything. But while I was there, I searched it up just to be sure what I was buying. And so it's called the ADD W1 Honda Civic EP3 short shifter. So basically it's a little bracket that like goes on your shifter, and I've never seen it before. There's a couple videos on here. I'm just gonna throw it on and see how I feel about it, because I feel like this is kind of like one of those cheap mods you would do when you're barely getting into cars because you don't know any better. But I'm very curious now. So the inner, version of me that used to do cheap mods like that, it's still in there. So I am genuinely curious to see how it'll turn out. So I'm gonna show you guys the process and everything. So yeah, let's go ahead. So this whole piece just comes off. Just by, well, if you still have the grommet on here or the little rubber piece, you're gonna have to get like a plier and kind of just ply it out, or you get a trim remover, which is a lot safer. But since I don't, I could just pretty much pop it off like this. But do be careful, you do have wires here and here. If you do have a security system that's connected to yours also. Okay, pause real quick. I guess I wasn't recording when I filmed this, but yeah, before we continue, I need to tell you that before we do anything else, you need to remove that little bracket right there. It's like a little pin that holds onto that little white bracket. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't film it, but as of now I'm recording it. I guess I'd never hit record. So yeah, as you can see, this white block here, there's like that little pin there. It's like a little thing you just separate. You press against them opposite of each other and they come off. You just slide it down. Just be careful not to drop it, or else you'll lose that shit forever and you're fucked. So yeah, after that it'll release the shifter cable from that little ball joint, and that ball joint is what we're gonna remove next in the next clip. Okay, so the next thing we gotta do is remove this ball. Bitch, came right off. And I cut myself. Woo! That's a pretty deep cut. Oh, nice. Can you even see that? That's a gash, bro. I just gashed myself. Liddy. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but this goes down below while this goes up higher, giving you like a little higher reach. So that slips on there, and then this will be a little tight right here coming in. So we're just gonna beat the fuck out of it till it. If you don't give a shit like me, go ahead and bang the fuck out of it. Otherwise, if you like to take care of your shit, don't bang the fuck out of it. Alright, so now we gotta make this fucking bad boy go in this fucking circle. How are we gonna do that? I have no fucking clue. Okay, so I just threw that thing all the way back. There we go. Okay, so just push your shifter all the way back and then just place it in there. And now remember that other little piece that we had? This piece, make sure you just put it all the way in the back. Oh my god, that feels crazy good. Okay, we won't talk about it yet. Let's finish this first. Okay, here we go. I like it. I mean, basically all it does is just shorten the shifts. Click, 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 click. So for that white clip in the bag, I initially put it in very like loose because I stretched it out. Do not stretch it out or else it'll fall off while you're driving. You'll lose your shifter while you're driving. So yeah, don't do that. I made it back, I put it back to its original stiffness, which is a lot better now. Goddamn, this actually feels pretty dope. So what we gotta finally do is install a little bracket that holds it in completely, and all you do is just slide it in and bolt it on. Okay, before my battery dies, here we go. Oh! Okay, it feels loose still, for sure. Sideways, not like an actual short throw shifter, but it's for sure heck stiffer. Going into the gears, I like it. Fuck it. Okay, I don't want you to die. All right. So, overall thoughts on this product. I think this will be good for like daily driving. If you're gonna daily this car, this is a good mod for it, just for your gears to be able to click in a little easier. Everyone knows how shitty the EP3 shifter is. Well, most Honda shifters are pretty bad. So yeah, I think it would be good for that. For racing, probably not. I probably think you should go with the hybrid racing, or things called, or hybrid short throw shifter, which is what I'm planning on getting eventually, but not anytime soon. So this will do for now. Check out my other videos. I think I put out pretty good quality content. If not, we're getting there. So yes, please go ahead, check them out. Check out my EP3 videos, and check out my FG4 videos, and check out all of my films that I've done for all of the car shows. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. We'll see you on the next one. Dreamland.